So here we go. We're going to do the Vegepod. We've got 180 litres of potting mix, perlite, and a whole bunch of seedlings. So I thought I'd film it, and so anyone who is interested in getting a Vegepod, they're fantastic. It's a great bit of kit. Australian invention. I think it won Shark Tank or something. And me, who is a certified idiot, who cannot assemble anything, can barely turn a light switch on and off, managed to put that up on my own, which is incredible. So, and of course, the apprentice is there. You're helping, aren't you, bub? Hey? You're helping? They advised to start with, to layer it like lasagna with perlite followed by potting mix, followed by perlite, followed by potting mix. I've taken the canopy off just to make this a bit simpler. Potting mix, which is actually 210 litres, but she did. Now we've just got to plant. So now it's planting time. I've literally never planted anything other than evidence of a crime scene in my life. So I've got zucchini. I don't know which one of these are going to work, but I'm doing seedlings because I was told that was better for idiots and beginners. Spinach, coriander, lettuce, capsicum, cucumbers, which I'm told will go gangbusters here, tomatoes, cherry tomatoes, which I'm told the same, they'll go gangbusters down here, some basil, and some parsley. So I can't go too far wrong, I don't think. All things I use a lot, so off we go. I've now got to transplant them into the actual Vegepod. So we have a little, the Brady Bunch arrangement, as Jane calls it, on, or was it Emily on Twitter? Marsha, Greg, Jan, Mike, Bobby. Anyway, we'll name them as we go. We've got tomato, basil, lettuce, rocket, coriander, cucumber, capsicum, and spinach. I'm sure my planting technique is terrible, and I'm going to be told that. But anyway, first time, what can I do? Putting in a bit of water. So the beauty of the Vegepod and its claim to fame is that once you put them in and water it, it's basically self-watering. It's got this wicking system down the bottom, and that's how you can leave it for unattended. It's also got the misting system on the cover, which I will put on, if you want to do that and attach the hose with a timer. So anyway, and there we have, I'm very proud to say, a fully functioning Vegepod garden. Very happy, very chuffed with myself. Now grow, you buddy. Grow, grow, grow. Hurry up.